Hello everyone, my name is Vijay Tatrevankar. Our project topic is geometrical verification of gear and sorting of defective gear using MATLAB. Here is the outline of the today's presentation. Introduction. Geometrical parameters of gear has direct impact on performance of a mechanical system, so gear error should be within tolerance limit. In this project, we have developed a low-cost automation system using MATLAB which is able to detect the dimensional gear error and advantages like high rate of inspection, fault diagnosis and quality monitoring. Problem definition. Gear parameters measuring equipment such as gear tooth caliper, gear tester, it is time consuming and accuracy is depending upon factors such as operator. Using CMM increase the cost of inspection. So MATLAB based system is low cost and can give fault diagnosis with better accuracy and faster rate. Objective. To develop the system using image processing toolbox in MATLAB which is able to detect the errors in gear parameters such as addendum diameter, dedendum diameter, counting number of teeth, module and PCD. This setup will be automatically accept and reject the spur gear on the basis of geometrical parameters. Experimental setup. On the computer, MATLAB code will be run. Firstly, code will start the video preview and will catch the image of gear. After that, MATLAB code will run to process the image, and after that, depending upon MATLAB output, gear will be selected and rejected. Taking into consideration of output of MATLAB code, Arduino will run the code, and if gear is accepted, the conveyor run continuously and the gear with is good which is collected at the head of the conveyor. If it is rejected, then con motor will actuate and will sweep out the gear from conveyor. Methodology. Image will be fetched from the file of camera. Colorful information will be stored in the form of intensity level, that is grayscale image. After that, to manipulate that image, grayscale image is converted into binary image. MATLAB uses thresholding to convert the intensity level into binary code. After that, image is inverted, region of interest will be highlighted and further process will happen. Here is grayscale image filtered with auto-white balance algorithm, deep blurring convolution algorithm and converted binary image. Then edge will be detected and binary image is inverted and region of interest will be highlighted.
Hi everyone, my name is Pratik Jagdari. Selection of equipment. First one, web camera. Selection of camera for dimensional inspection is based on size of field of view and pixel resolution. When the field of view is 100 mm, our web camera gives dimensional tolerance is equal to plus or minus 5 pixels per mm. It has pixel resolution is equal to 0.083 mm per pixel and dimensional tolerance is equal to 0.415 mm. Another important specifications of web camera are image sensor resolution is equal to 2 megapixel, sensor type HD, memory 512 MB, focal length 4 mm, field of view is equal to 60 degree. The next one is DC motor. We use the DC motor which have following specifications. Speed of DC motor is equal to 100 rpm, diameter of DC motor is equal to 37 mm, input voltage 4 volt to 12 volt, torque 28 kg centimeter, shaft diameter 6 mm and shaft length 22 mm. Another equipment is microcontroller with Arduino RAM. Microcontroller with Arduino RAM is open source microcontroller and it has electrically programmable read-only memory. Another one is selection of material for conveyor. We choose PVC plastic material for conveyor belt and conveyor belt is mounted on pulley as shown in figure. Construction of conveyor. Torque required to move conveyor is calculated by formula T is equal to 1 half D into bracket F plus mu Wg, where T is equal to torque, D is equal to roller diameter, W is equal to mass of load, G is equal to acceleration due to gravity, mu is equal to frictional coefficient, F is equal to external force. Synchronization of conveyor with output of MATLAB. If the gear is rejected according to MATLAB algorithm, then conveyor will stop for specific delay time and then one motor will actuate which eliminate the faulty gear and then conveyor will start again. And if the gear is accepted, then conveyor run without delay. Pulley rotates with certain time delay and time delay is achieved by using Arduino board. The next slide is project setup. Two pulleys are mounted according to required distance and conveyor belt is mounted on pulley on which our gear is kept. Initially, the motor conveyor is stationary.
Here, the photos of all the equipment, photos of the project making from the inception to completion of the project are shown in the sequential manner. Here, the demonstration of working of conveyor belt is shown. Hello everyone, I am Rohit Chaudhary and I am going to explain the programming, how we built the MATLAB code for image processing of the object gear. These are the specific MATLAB inbuilt function which we have used in the developing code. This is the code for converting the original image into grayscale image. First, when gears comes on the conveyor belt under the camera will start the video recording of the object. Then it will capture the image of gear by using the above code for getting snapshot of gear object. Then it will send the image to the system. By using filtering command, the image will be denoised, and by using plot command, we will plot the image in the prescribed coordinate plane. The original image is then converted into the grayscale format by using RGB to grayscale command. This is the original image captured by camera, and by using image processing algorithm, we have converted this image into grayscale image. These are the grayscale image. After converting, we have to detect the edges of gear. Then we have to fill the inside holes within gear and make inversion of image so that we will get all the detail of the gear in white area in the black background. Then for selective purpose, we will concentrate on edges of gear. For the purpose, we will shrink the circle, subtract the inside hub, and then only concentrate on the outside part, that is teeth of gear. For the purpose, we have used the cropping, polymasking, labeling command. And then by using the condition statement, we will accept the things and reject the thing which we want. For that purpose, we will keep a certain range for the acceptance and rejection. Then therefore, we will get the actual accurate gear. At the time of the capturing gear image, the image will send to the system. Let us go for the simulation now. When we run the MATLAB code in the MATLAB window, it will capture the gear image by the camera. RGB image is captured by interface camera. Then RGB image is converted to the grayscale image. Then inside hole are filled by the fill command. Then we will concentrate on the edges, that is teeth, edge detection and highlighting the area of interest. And in the command window we will get the output, that is the gear is faulty or not. Now let us go for the another simulation of the faulty gear. In MATLAB, when program is running, the camera will capture the actual image of the gear image. Then RGB image is converted to the grayscale image. Then after hole is filled inside, then edge detected. Then area of interest is concentrated. In the command window, it will show the output, that is the number of teeth, and the gear is faulty or not.
Hello everyone, my name is Rushikesh Shirke. Now the cost estimation. The total cost required for this project is the 7,700.
The maximum cost is required for the camera, that is 3500. Now the application in gear, washer and nuts, the screw manufacturing industries for fault detection. In industries, it is effectively used in quality departments. In automobile industry for counting, sorting and inspecting different parts. Automatic character recognition such as zip code, barcode and license plate recognition, etc. Now the advantages. It is fast system for dimensional verification. The second is the system is easily to implement. This system is highly flexible, can have wide applications. It can be automated easily to accept and reject gear depending upon output of code. Now the limitation. Image processing of gear like helical gears, worm gears and bevel gears is difficult. Image must be captured in medium brightness to get desired output. Image capture should be clear. Fire for higher accuracy, higher resolution camera is required. Therefore, cost will increase. Now the conclusion: the geometric verification of spur gear using MATLAB image processing toolbox become very easy and fast. This developed setup can detect error in geometric parameters and sorting of defective gears from production line automatically. Now, the only by changing the MATLAB coding, we can detect the geometric errors in different mechanical components. Literature survey. Uh, when we are searching for information about this project topic, for this we can study the different papers. Now, the different authors are work on the different topics. Like author Ravi Italy is work on the developing the MATLAB code to design the spur gear, and the author Jane Lee Italy is work on the to develop the MATLAB code to detect the various errors in spur gear. Eamon Dawlikar work on the verification of gear geomet- geometry using image processing technique. And in for searching information in this, we get the information about the various information about this topic. Now the timeline. This is the timeline.